Water is the backbone for everything we do. We're a semi-arid desert. We don't have a whole lot of natural rainfall in our growing season. So we depend dramatically on our reservoir and the storage levels. Water it's critical, it's king.
You know, Lake Country is 50% agriculture if you look at the land mass, and it's a historically important function of Lake Country. It's one of the reasons why people come to live here, because they can live amongst farms. But those places need to be economically viable. And for them to be economically viable, they need water, and they need constant, regular water. They need a safe supply.
So the dam needed replacing because primarily we had a concrete structure that could no longer receive engineering sign-off. So we were no longer completely confident that it was connected to the bedrock floor that the dam is built upon. And ultimately we decided that the best method forward was actually doing open heart surgery on the dam and replacing the concrete structure in the dam itself.
Another aspect of why this dam and this water body is so important to the community, in the fires of 2023, those fires were down along the lakeside. So we were able to keep going because we had this water that was at elevation. We didn't need pumping, and we were able to fight the fire without missing a beat.
Well, this dam is my primary water source. It provides me water year-round for my crops, and we irrigate with it. Without water, we couldn't produce crops or even feed livestock.
So this project means for the community long-term security and access to a water supply that they can rely upon, and with a key piece of infrastructure that they don't need to worry about for a long time to come. So because it's a safety project, we would have had to find a way to fund the project and make it go forward, but we would have had to do it with a much reduced scope. So part of the project, we're looking to raise the dam, so if one day we ever want to increase storage in the lake, that probably wouldn't have been able to occur. And then also there was the rock obstruction underneath the cofferdam that we're looking to take out. That probably wouldn't have been able to occur had we not been able to access additional funding.
Well, the investment in this dam isn't just for today. It's about the future and providing a reliable, stable infrastructure so the future generations of farming can continue within this area of Lake Country.